Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a protective style on my hair. I'm going to be doing mini twists, you guys, but I am going to be adding some spring twist hair. So it is hot outside, you guys. So I'm looking for a really convenient protective style that is not too long. So you know my neck could breathe, you feel me? So the items that I'm going to be using for today's video is the spring twist hair. So this is the hair right here, you guys. It is from Expression. It's twist up springy afro twist, 24 inches, but this is how it looks out of the packaging. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut it in half, and once I cut it in half, this is how it's going to look. So it's going to be really short, or let me not say really short, but it's going to be the exact length of my hair, because I'm not necessarily looking for length, I'm looking for volume. I've done mini twists in the past before, and they always look a little bit on the finer / thinner side, especially when I first get them done. So I want to add a little bit of volume by adding some hair. So let's get into it. So the items that you'll be needing for this video, as I mentioned, is the Expression Springy Twist hair. And then you will need a comb, of course, and then the Shine and Jam. So that is all you need, you guys. So my hair, y'all, I washed it yesterday, y'all, and I had the urge to do like a light press. So I did press it. I did press it and I did cut it, okay? I'm trying to keep on top of my trims. So this is my hair. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair ear to ear, and I think I'm actually going to work on the front section first, and then most likely I'll do the back off camera. And then I'm gonna take some Shine and Jam and put it directly on the part. I don't think I'll be using the Shine and Jam for the back because nobody really pays attention to the back, but for the front, you gotta make sure it's nice and crisp. So this is gonna serve for about like 3 twists. I'm gonna take the hair, and y'all, I like to start with a plait first, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna grab this, wrap it around like this, and just start plaiting. And then I'm going to split it in the middle, and then I'm going to start twisting it down. So you guys can see I'm doing like a rope-like motion. And then I'm going to twist it all the way down. With it being short, I'm hoping that it only takes me like 3 hours to do. Y'all, this is coming out a little bit longer than I expected it to, but I think it's going to be really pretty. Well, this is the first twist. What y'all think? Neat, right? Don't play with Sash. So neat. So as you guys can see, even though I cut the hair in half, it still stretches a whole lot, especially when you twist it nice and tight. Y'all should have no problems. Look how much it stretched for me. I'm gonna get started on this third one, just so you guys can see it again. I'm gonna add a little bit of Shine and Jam to the base, just so it could, you know, keep that neatness that I like. And then I'm gonna take the hair, and I'm gonna wrap it around the base. Make sure it's even. You're gonna take it, you're gonna wrap it around the base. See, just like this. And then you're gonna just start plaiting. Make sure it's tight. And then once your natural hair gets in the middle, split it in half, so both sides could have some of your natural hair in the weave. And then start doing like a rope-like type twist. See it, guys? Just do that all the way down. See, this is why I was concerned that it was going to be the exact same length as my hair, because you can see my hair. But once you continue to do it like a rope twist all the way down, the expressions hair gets longer and longer, like it stretches. Okay, there's that third one.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days.
Alright y'all, so I was definitely over ambitious with the time frame that I set for myself, because y'all, it took 2 hours and 40 minutes to do the top. But y'all, it is so neat. It is so like neat, and I like it a lot. Look at that. Wow, look at those parts. But I still have the entire back to do. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. So let me put this up. Y'all, look at that. Outside of my edges, just so neat. So neat, and it's like a really, really good length. So let me just put a rubber band in this, and I'm gonna get started on the back. I think the back is gonna take less time than the front though, because of the way that my head is shaped. So let's see, maybe an hour and a half for the back. Let's see. So I'm gonna be doing the same technique on the back as I am on the front. So I've only used one bundle so far. I'm about to take one more bundle and cut it in half, because this is all I have left of the first bundle that I used for the top. So this style doesn't take a lot of hair at all, which is why it's amazing, especially if you have hair that's the length of mine or similar to mine or a little bit shorter than mine. Like, this is the perfect style for you. I'm gonna get some shine and jam on my hands to help me twist down.
Babe, 'cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and
okay, if you have like straggly pieces on the end, you can go ahead and just give it a little snip.
Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication.
Y'all, I'm cheesing because I'm finally done. Ah, yes! Alright guys, so I am all done. So right now I'm just going to get my Eben New York. This is my 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm going to apply that to my edges. Alright you guys, so my edges are all done. This is pretty much like the final look. Let me come up close so y'all can see this neatness. Okay, like these parts. Oh my gosh, y'all, it took a little bit over 4 hours to do, which was a little bit longer than I anticipated, but y'all, I think it was well worth it. I love the length of these. It's very hot where I am right now, you guys. Like, I'm talking about like so hot. So, you know, I wanted something that was super light, something that was going to be a protective style for me, something that would last a few weeks, y'all. So this is right up my alley. I always like to run mini twists back because, y'all, look at them. Just look at them. Like, it turned out so nice. And as you guys know, these are so versatile, y'all. I could do 1,000,001 style. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a few styles in a minute, but y'all already know, like, I like to keep my hair up. And so most likely I'm gonna have the hair up for the majority of the time that I keep these in. But y'all, these are just so cute. I am in love with them. So y'all, yeah, this is it. Let me turn to the back. y'all. So yeah, and I think I am going to wear it more so in a side part, y'all. I can wear it down the middle if I want. You know, versatility is a must when we wear these styles. Yeah, we can do a lot with it. Could wear it on this side if we would like. We can do half down. Like, there's just so many things that I can do. So I absolutely love it. All right, let's get into some of these little styles.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know which hairstyle you guys would like to see me do next. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!